What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the sun is out today for a change. How lovely. But yeah, anyway, we're getting there now with the golf. It's nearly on the road. You're probably thinking, just get the damn car on the road. It's taking forever, guys. And it's because I'm also filming everything. I want to show you guys everything, as opposed to just showing you the end result and, you guys not seeing how it got there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just a little bit of a proper way to do your HIDs if you want HIDs on your car. Slash, it's also, fitting the Golf's lights on it and getting the front end together. So hopefully, fingers crossed, in the next video, it should be complete. I'm hoping, yeah. Because I'm going to try and just shorten down every little process and just complete it on the next video, hopefully. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you're keeping safe with all this coronavirus going on and whatever. Look after yourselves and wash your hands. And if you can find hand sanitizer, keep putting it. But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Right, the lights are here, guys. So let's get these babies opened. What's that? Okay. Must say they were packed really well. Blimey. Good job, mate, wherever you are, as captain. So, careful here. Okay, really packed well, eh? That's what I like to see. Oh yes, look at that. Oh yes. Right, they looked in good condition online. Let me get this camera. But this stuff that you buy on eBay, you never know until it. Look what he's even done so that these don't snap. He's actually put card in between there. That's a clever idea. Even I wouldn't have thought of that. Yeah, they look alright actually. Obviously they're used, they're not brand new. And they've been in here. Yeah, they just need a wipe, you can see. Out there, but it looks like it's got some nice bulbs in there. So yeah, we shall get those on the Golf. Let's check the other one. Make sure. Oh no, that's broken. Bottom one. Okay. So yeah, those are those lights off eBay, and after looking into them, actually noticed that one of the back clips was broken and one of the bottom ones was broken. So which is not a problem, we'll sort of make that work hopefully. And what I'm gonna try and do now, guys, is these lights that came with my slam panel have the HID kit on them. Now I'm gonna test this HID kit, and if it works, I'm gonna put them in our new lights over there. So yeah, let's have a play with that and see how that pans out. Hopefully it's still working, you know what I mean, because I'd like to have HIDs, to be fair. But yeah, these ones, I think they Toyo Sports I was looking at, because you couldn't even see them, but I've just cleaned them up, and they Toyo Sports ones, so hopefully they work and they're alright. But yeah, let's give them a go. Let's see these lights, if the HIDs still work on them. If they do, then at least we can salvage them. Which side is this? Is this the other side? So, wish me luck, guys. If this doesn't work, then basically most of the stuff on that slam panel was a dud, really. So let's connect that. Yeah. And know they're going to be a pain in the ass to disconnect, but that's why that's happened, because they don't put the grommet. When people put HIDs, you must put the grommet back on there and drill a hole for the grommet. If you just put the cables in and leave the back of the light open, it's just stupid, you know what I mean? It's just ridiculous. Here's the other one. I suppose it's doing things right and doing them the shortcut way, isn't it? So, and it depends. If you love your car, you'll do it the right way. If you don't give a monkeys, then you'll probably do it the shortcut way, I suppose. But on Mark IV Evan, we want to do it the right way, because we love our cars. I think that's in. And I got the keys to the beast. Right. I can see some sort of glowage. Yeah. Well, one's bright. Yeah, I suppose they are working. Those HIDs are working, so we'll salvage them, keep them, put them on our lights and do it the right way, not leave the bloody things dangling out the back. Yeah, they look the right color, don't they? Right, so I've come back inside. I want to actually fit this thing properly, like I mentioned. Yeah, so what people do is they put their HIDs on nicely, and the shortcut way is to just put that straight over and sort of squash the wires and leave that semi-open or leave that off altogether. So whoever's done this to these lights, like I mentioned, look at them inside, because all that corrosion and dirt and everything just goes into the light. So that's why these lights are so messed up, is because they never done it the proper way, which is to actually drill a hole, yeah, exactly the size of whatever this is underneath here, which I'll measure, and then just put your grommet in nicely. Do it nice and professional. Then it looks like it's one unit with the light, you know what I mean? Instead of messing about and squashing the cables and your lights getting all messed up. It just doesn't make sense. So yeah, let's do that now. And yeah, this can be a bit of a tutorial really of how to fit HIDs on a Mark IV Golf GTI. It's pretty simple, really simple. That ballast just stays in one piece altogether, and with that would normally connect to your bulb, yeah? That connects to this side of your ballast, and then that goes and connects onto your HID bulb. Simple, it's just one piece, look at it. So yeah, let's get that done and connect the lights up. Right, so here's our good lights. Yeah, they look pretty decent anyway. Need to make a plan with that, because that back one is broken, and even our one that came with the slam panel is broken as well. So we're gonna have to try and, thinking I'll drill a hole in there and put a tie in there, a tie wrap, and that'll just hold that nice and shut. And at least it's not gonna open and let any liquid go into there. But yeah, I'll take these off these lights. I have to hope I can remember all this. So the red goes to the red, which is pretty straightforward. And then that just goes onto with the bulb into the HID. Yeah. So that means you've got to take this off completely. My god, I wonder if you can even clean this. It's full of crap on it. So how do you change these? If you want to change them, you're screwed. You're literally screwed. Anywho, yeah, so we want to measure this, guys, this grommet size, 2.5 centimeters. As you can see, it just sort of glides in there. You want it to be a little bit tight. So that's 25, as you can see on there. So now let's just get a nice 2.5 centimeter hole on there. put this in here so we don't damage it when we're messing about. Alright, so looking at this one, this is going to be for this light. These lights, as measured before, I'm going to want to be somewhere here. So we need to drill there out. So what we're going to do here, I've got a Sharpie and I found something. This is like 2 centimeters or whatever, so I'm gonna go over with the Sharpie. Even though we need it to be about 2.5, we'll just, once we put the Sharpie around, we'll basically, once we've cut everywhere around the Sharpie, it should be about the exact size or close. So yeah, let's do that. Right, so if we take our measuring tool now, you can see I put a roundish, if the camera will pick it up. Bang on. Look at that. Bang on the money. Look at that. Bang, bang, bang on. So yeah, that should be perfect. So let's use our Dremel to Dremel that out now. Yeah, we've still got charging that, so we shall go ahead and Dremel that out. I don't want to miss, otherwise my partner won't be very happy with me. I'll do this outside, but it's so cold, I'd rather just get this done inside the house. And at least all the rest of the bits and pieces we can finish off outside. Yeah. This is gonna miss. This is gonna miss. Alright, I'm gonna go and do this outside, guys, because I can see this is just gonna cause a mess. So I'll be back in a second. I'll just Dremel it out. Alright, so our hole is done with our trusted Dremel. A bit of plastic has gone into my sleeves here, which is not pleasant, but yeah, anyway. So that is for which light? Is it this one? Da, da, da. Yeah. Let's just hope we've cut. At least we've got a spare one of these if we've cocked it up. So yeah, that should be fine. That it'll come straight out of there. Okay, so let's get fitting. Let's put our first HID in. Our normal bulb. So I'm assuming this isn't going to come off like the other one did in our little clip. Right, let's get our light. I'm hoping that this is going to fit through here, otherwise we've got a little bit of a problem, really. Whoa. Look at that. That might be a bit of a problem. Okay, so what we'll do is we shall disconnect that from there. I just hope I remember where all the stuff really goes back. Disconnect that from the, yeah, they go opposites, which is perfect. And then disconnect that from this. Yeah, I don't know if you can clean these, you know. I know you guys might think this is a stupid thing to do, to touch a bulb, but this bulb had grease everywhere. So I'm just trying to salvage it. I don't know if this is even gonna work. I'm using some brake cleaner. It's like really powerful. So I'm just trying to clean it up because look at the oils, look at that. at least this way we know we've done our bit. That looks as clean as a whistle. Right, let's get it fitted. Right, so if that will go through there, that way. Yeah, I think we might be winning here now. So you're supposed to fit it this way. So put your cable or whatever through there first, then the rest of your wiring. Yeah. And then just get your grommet in place. Just watch your bulb as well, because I don't want to break that at the last minute after all this hard work. See, that's how it should be fitted. Okay, look at that. Nice and snug. Look at that. Not just hanging out everywhere, you know what I mean? So, yeah, now is going to be the fun part. So, I think we will look for our clip. Where's our clip? I think it's this one. Yeah. So let's get that in place first, because I don't want this bulb knocking about. So that needs to go like that. Don't know if the camera can see anything here, but yeah, just putting the bulb in really. So that then just fits in there as normal, the bulb. Put your clip back. Then, if I'm not mistaken, these, the red one goes into the single, yeah, which has got a single cable, and then the other one, the black one, goes into one that's got two cables. That's how it was on the other one. Let's just double check this one. Yeah, your red goes into that single. Yeah, it looks fine. And just click that into place nicely. Put that on. And there we go. We HID'd, you know what I mean? Then obviously we'll connect the ballast and stuff to that and try and find somewhere to keep it in the car. But that's pretty much your HID light done. One down, one to go. So yeah. I won't show the other one because you've just seen Out Street on this one, so yeah, that's how you do that. I'll connect them up and show you guys what they look like. And let's take our bumper off. I usually just put it back every time I've finished working on the car, so there's our nice yummy lights. We can put those on and try them out. Hey, car's getting there finally. Just a couple of bits and pieces. Right. So let's start off with this one. So luckily I left all the screws here. So we'll put our lights in and test them before we actually screw them all in. Yeah. Right, that's there. Another screw. Just to hold it in place. Looks a lot more like a car. Looks a lot more like a car. Let's get the ballasts, connect those up, and then fire them up, see what happens. Let's connect these up. Yeah, and I like how they've made the cable so you can't mess them up. They've made them opposites. One male, one female, and opposite. Otherwise, I think it will be easy to mess that up. And then that goes that way, I think. Just put that there. I have to be careful with that, it's sharp as well. Don't want to scratch my car. This one's going to be rather awkward. Right, then it's that. Put that over there. Right, so let's test these out now. See what happens. See if they're working. Yep. One looks a bit brighter than the other, which is not pleasant. But yeah, I think they're okay. No, they actually look the same now. Yeah, they look similar now. One thing I did notice when I was fitting these, look at that, those lights are actually cracked inside there. So you know what, I'm gonna get another one, but let's just get the car on the road. But yeah, that looks a lot better. That park light's not working at the bottom, so I need to change that 501, that one. Yeah, so we'll change both of those. I might just put like white ones or something. But yeah, HID is done, bumper, grill, finished. Right, so finally our lights are all on. And the last thing really is just the bonnet. As far as stuff we've got left to actually fit to the car. But I'm thinking I might as well wait for the grill and other things to come. And yeah, it's starting to drizzle slightly again. So yeah, at least we've accomplished that. Changed out our HIDs into these. All our screws are all in now, all tightened up. I might just close it. A moment of truth. Don't think that's gonna shut. Yeah, that front is, look at that. Look at that. It's already touching there, can you see? So that bonnet was definitely not even gonna work, even if we tried to keep it. But yeah. Like there's some, I don't know. Like there's something squealing. I'm gonna have to leave my window open so you can actually hear it, yeah? I'm gonna boost now, so just listen.